This video will give you an overview of PropertyFile Plus for Jupix. You can now offer your customers the ability to book viewings and appraisals via your website and have them arrive in Jupix for further qualification. A user will choose their preferred times, register as a new customer, and provide you with information about their search preferences and buying position. Once they confirm their requested times, you'll be prompted by email and the request will arrive in Jupix for processing. When you confirm the booking, the buyers are prompted to log into their buyers area where they can review any booked viewings, viewings awaiting confirmation, or past viewings. They can get directions, let you know if they need to cancel, or go back and view the property on your website. When the viewing is passed, the applicant will automatically receive a star rating feedback form that's easily returned to the agent. The agent can review and refine any comments, and with just a click, notify the vendor that feedback is awaiting their attention. This activity alone could save thousands of phone calls a year. To book a valuation, the user will let you know whether they're selling, letting, or both, provide the property address, and where their nearest office is. They select their preferred times, provide their contact information, and submit their request. This will also prompt you by email and arrive in Jupix for processing. After you've delivered your valuation, you can now send your terms of business to be signed electronically. Select your contract and click to send the online instruction request. Wherever they are, your customer instantly receives an email advising there's a document to review. From here, they can read through your agreement and sign electronically. This can even be done on a mobile device. All parties will receive a confirmation of signature, and you can keep an eye on outstanding documents from the Jupix dashboard. The time-saving element here is enormous. Sellers can now stay up to date with their Sales and Progression tab. Once an offer has been accepted, the vendor clicks to see their own and their buyer's progression milestones. Clicking More Info helps the user understand each element of the sale. These milestones replicate the progress of the sales chain in Jupix. And to keep them right up to the minute, you can provide comments through the notes section. The vendor can read these next time they log in, further reducing incoming calls, keeping your customers engaged and happy.